Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Email marketing is still one of the most powerful ways to reach customers. But did you know you can run email campaigns right inside Pipedrive? In this video, I'll show you how to set up, send, and track campaigns using Pipedrive's Mailigen add-on or other integrations from the marketplace. Most CRMs separate sales and email marketing. That means juggling multiple tools. With Pipedrive plus Mailigen, you combine both. You can send campaigns, track open rates, and connect them directly to your sales pipeline. To get started, head to the Campaigns section. Import your contact list from Pipedrive or upload one. Then, design your email with drag-and-drop templates, or use pre-built layouts. Simple, clean, and professional. What makes campaigns effective is personalization. With Pipedrive, you can segment by deal stage, industry, or tags. That way, your prospects don't just get an email, they get the right email at the right time. After sending, Pipedrive gives you detailed reports, open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribes. You'll see exactly what's working. And because it's tied to your CRM, you can follow which emails lead to closed deals. Don't use Mailigen? No problem. Pipedrive Marketplace has integrations like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Sendinblue. The process is similar: connect, sync, and run campaigns from your Pipedrive contacts. Email campaigns become more powerful when they're connected to your sales pipeline. That's the real magic of Pipedrive. Try it out by clicking on the link in the description and see how you can turn email clicks into closed deals.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.